Hi, I'm Nikhil Singla, your friendly neighborhood motion editor. So today's mission is very simple. Just take a one clip and edit it like a pro without making your wallet cry. Let's get started, boys. Step 1, preparing for battlefield. So first thing first, your PC is your battlefield. Clean desktop, clean folder. Trust me, bro. Trust me. Chaos in your files will actually destroy your soul faster than you think. And also, and also one more thing. If your desktop like a crime scene, please brother, clean it. Before हम अपने प्रोजेक्ट को शुरू करते हैं brother. Step 2, choosing a right software. See, you don't really need a high-paid software like Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve. वैसे जो DaVinci Resolve है उसमें एक फ्री वर्जन आता है और एक प्रीमियम वर्जन आता है. वो थोड़ा महंगा होता है जो प्रीमियम वाला होता है, बट वो लाइफ टाइम होता है. एंड जो प्रीमियम प्रो का सब्सक्रिप्शन है वो अलग अलग उनके होते हैं. जैसे मान लो इनके स्टूडेंट डिस्काउंट वाले होते हैं, इनके एज जैसे जो बिजनेस मैन होते हैं, स्टूडेंट टीचर्स हो गए, एंड जो नॉर्मल सब्सक्रिप्शन होते हैं. बट इफ यू कैन डू सम जुगाड़ फॉर इट, दिस इज नॉट, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस, बट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट student ID. If you can do some jugaad for student ID, I will literally say it will save you lots of money for 4 years, I would say. And you can if you are buying a Creative Cloud, in Creative Cloud there are all the Adobe apps like 3D design work and video editing stuffs like work you can get in one subscription, but it was charging too much. But if you have a student discount in India, I just paid 500 rupees per month. And thought, so if you can do some jugaad for student discount, then I would really prefer Premiere Pro or any Adobe apps. But if you can't, then I would recommend DaVinci Resolve, because DaVinci Resolve is also very good software. The most important thing, there's a line in Thor Ragnarok movie, I God of Hammer, no, you are God of Thunder. ओडन ने बोला था थॉर को जब पहला उनका सीन हुआ था लड़ाई के टाइम पे. सो आई वुड रियली से फोकस ऑन योर स्किल्स. हाँ, सॉफ्टवेयर मैटर करता है, बट एक टाइप पे इतना मैटर नहीं करेगा, तुम्हें स्किल्स मैटर करेंगी. तुम अगर अच्छे एडिटर्स हो ना, तुम्हें पता है ये सीन कैसे लगेगा, ये सीन को उधर एडिट करना है, इधर एडिट करना है, तो तुम्हें कोई सॉफ्टवेयर का चक्कर ही नहीं पड़ना ब्रो. तुम्हें बस मान के चलो 2-3 घंटा लगेगा किसी सॉफ्टवेयर को अच्छे से समझने में, और भी टाइम लगता है. वो हर किसी के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. मुझे भी खुद मान के चलो जो अडोबी इलस्ट्रेटर है मेरे को लग गया एक दिन. आई एम फ्रैंकली सेइंग दैट मेरे को टाइम लग गया था. सो टेक योर टाइम एंड फोकस ऑन योर स्किल्स, ओके. But yes, you should also focus on software, because software also give you more edge and also speed for editing, and it can also benefit your some, you know what I'm saying. So that's how, okay. Step 3, import and organize your files, bro. Drag your footage into your project, create a bin or folder, label like it was dependent on it. Footage, music, sound effects. So step 4, what actually matters. Editing is like 80% of storytelling, 15% of problem solving, and 5% because Premiere Pro crash all this time. Step 5, my minimal setup. So what I recommend for a PC to do a better or normal editing, like it should be a i5 processor of Intel or AMD, something the same, and also it should be a high performing CPU, because lots of time you need to do video editing, and the Premiere Pro will always take too much load in CPU. So I will always prefer to buy a good i5 processor if you are starting, and also always prefer a 16GB DDR RAM. It was very important. And also a good monitor. It should be not too much costly, but if you can, please try to invest some good money on also monitor for color grading purpose. And also you can do one more thing, that buying a cheap keyboard and mouse, it is very better to save some money and also for fast edit. And also there is a mandatory thing that you should always have a headphone. Headphone is very mandatory for sound designing and also graphics card, because after editing get into export, and export work are done in graphics card. So I will also prefer to buy some to I will also prefer to spend some money on a graphics card. एंड लास्ट मैं तुम्हें बस एक चीज़ बोलना चाहता हूँ, क्यों तुम लोग मेरे भाई बहन जैसे हो, ठीक है, एंड मेरे फैंस जैसे हो, परिवार, तो तुम्हें एक चीज़ बोलूँगा मैं, one day your work will matter than your space. Won't come if you don't start now. So please start now to start editing someone videos, and what you can do, just do, bro. And thank you for watching this video, and please like, share, comment and subscribe. Please help your friendly neighborhood motion editor. And thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and please follow on my other accounts. I'm also posting some of the videos, and I will meet you next video. Peace out.